Alright, today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Accord LX. It's got 28,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner, modern steel metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it's got the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome door handles. Driver's side's in good shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, everything's in really good shape here. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. And once again, it's a 28,000 miles on it. Carfax one owner. It's got the black on black door panels. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black leather seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat leather looks good. No problems there. Right here in the middle console, you do have a power outlet. Okay. It is an automatic. Got another power outlet for you down there, USB port, dual climate controls, AM FM CD player. Then it's going to have your display screen right there, your radio display, and it'll have the backup camera there as well. We'll show you that in just a second. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. And it's going to have your econ button right over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 28,764 miles. Now that we got it started up, I'm going to go ahead and show you the display screen here. Alright, and then you can change it. You can do radio, let's see, audio, clock / wallpaper. You can do trip history. Okay, we'll just do audio. Alright, then we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and it's got the guidelines on there as well. Once again, your radio right here. Got your climate control area right here. Dual climate controls. Alright, AC's going right now. AC blowing nice and cold. No problems there. Let's go ahead and step in the back. Take a look at the back seat and your trunk space. Alright, door panels back here in good shape. Carpet's nice and clean. Back seat leather looks good. No problems at all back here. Alright, it does have the armrest that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the trunk. Alright, the carpet back here is in good shape. Got a ton of room back here. Spare tire down there with your jack. Okay. The only thing I wanted to show you back here that I may have missed on the walk around, just a small scratch right here on the back bumper, okay? Real minor, could hardly see it's been painted over, but just want to point that out to you. Alright, 16-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of tires. You can see the marks on them right there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Honda Accord LX, 28,000 miles on it. Carfax one owner. This thing's in fantastic shape inside and out, modern steel metallic in color. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.